Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel Matrix, and in this series you will learn Python, basically Python 3 from scratch. If you haven't ever learned any computer language, then Python is the best option to begin with. In this playlist, we will first cover basics of Python, then we will go in deeper and learn how to use functions, classes, libraries, and so on. After finishing this playlist, I will upload another playlist on Python and data analysis and then enter into machine learning and deep learning. And so let's start by understanding what is Python. So Python is high level language. Now the question arises is that what is high level language? As machines and computers understand zeros and ones, and it is hard for us to write a program in zeros and ones. So simply in layman language, I can say that it is similar to English language, which makes easier for a programmer to write program. This high level language is then converted into assembly level language, and then assembly level language is then converted into machine language. So Python is a interpreted language, which means that the code is executed line by line, which is done by the interpreter. It is an object oriented language. For now you just remember that it deals with some kind of objects. We will study about this in the further videos when we will reach the concept of objects. For example, Java, C++, JavaScripts, these are the object oriented programming languages. Python have an easy syntax as compared to other languages such as Java, C++. It doesn't deal with braces, curly braces, semicolons, and so on. So Python is much easier than these kind of languages, and debugging is very easier and simpler in Python. So now we will see what are the uses of Python. So Python is used in artificial intelligence. ML and DL means machine learning and deep learning, where we use Python. Then we have data analysis. We use Python in web development, in game development, software development, scientific and numerical applications, and etc. We also use Python in making of GUIs. So now let's see what are the advantages of Python. First is easy to use, as the syntax of Python is simple, not like C, C++ and Java where we have to take precautions of curly braces and semicolons. Here there is no need of them. And the second is it is a versatile language. Python is dynamic language. It instructs indentation that promotes readability. It is programmer friendly as there is no restrictions of braces and colons in other language. And third is fast to develop, that because of its simplicity and easy syntax, this Python language is fast to develop. And fourth is it is an open source where you can contribute to its development, and it has a vast community. You can get help from there. As we already discussed about its simplicity, the language is pretty simple, and there are many other more advantages of it. So now let's see what are the different IDEs for Python. First is Spider, second is PyCharm, third is Eclipse, PyDev, and fourth is Idle, and there are many more. From the above IDs, you can use any of them according to your convenience. For the upcoming videos, I would be using Spider or Jupyter Notebook. For that, you can visit the official website of Anaconda and download Anaconda. And from Anaconda Navigator, it is easier for you to install Spider and Jupyter Notebook. I would recommend that you should install Jupyter Notebook as I like its interface, and we would be using it for data analysis and machine learning in the further playlist. For installation of Jupyter Notebook, you should visit website www.anaconda.com and install it. You can find many videos on how to install it for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. You can find videos on YouTube, or you can search online for how to install Anaconda. Now let's go into the Anaconda Navigator. After the installation, you will find this kind of interface, and from here you can install Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab if you want, and Spider. As you can see, I have already downloaded it, so it is showing launch. And for other which I haven't installed, such as Orange 3, I have the option of install. So you will also find this kind of option when you will open Anaconda Navigator, and you can install that by Jupyter Notebook. You can see here there is an option. So from next video we will start the coding part. Before that you should install any of the given IDs. If you like the video, then do like, share and subscribe my channel. For notification, press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you.